National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms producing flooding rains over northern Stanley and southeastern Davidson counties. Doppler radar estimated that 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen since 6 p.m. near and north of Albemarle. Locations threatened with flooding include Plyler and Albemarle. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rain are still possible, resulting in flash flooding. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the road. As little as 6 inches of water can cause you to lose control of your vehicle. 2 feet of rushing water can carry away most vehicles, including sport utility vehicles and pickup trucks. Turn around, don't drown. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling 1-877-633-6772 or notify your local law enforcement agency. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: